Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a brilliant mid-terraced family home in Whitstable. Now, this one is number 45 Cromwell Road, and the property is presented really well. You've got a wonderful mix of modern conveniences here, but also character features as well. Now, as soon as you come into this property on Cromwell Road, there's a wealth of period style properties down this road, but this one as well, you can see in particular, you've got that lovely big bay window there at the front, and this front lounge area is a fantastic space. It's a nice private and cozy lounge that you can really enjoy, and you've got that lovely little feature focal point to the room in that little fireplace there as well. Now, not only do you have the lounge as a reception space with this property, but you've also got a fantastic little dining room or second reception room. However you'd like to arrange your living with this property is however you'd like to. Of course, you've got that wonderful window there just overlooking the rear garden, and the wonderful options with this property on the ground level are brilliant. You've got, of course, that front lounge area, this dining area here as well, or you could use it as a second lounge or perhaps as a ground floor bedroom if you wanted to. The options are there because you come through here and you've got another reception space. So again, a nice little dining area or breakfast area with that real feature fireplace area there as well. Now, located just off of the dining space here is the kitchen, and the kitchen is a really good size. You've got plenty of worktop space here, plenty of storage space here as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through the side access door here and come and take a look at the rear garden, because the rear garden is really quite a surprising size. Of course, with these period style properties that you've got in Whitstable, location is everything. You're only a few moments away from the train station, and equal distance in the opposite direction you have Whitstable High Street in all of its glory. And of course, you can see you've got a wonderful open aspect here in the rear garden. It's lovely and sunny, and certainly no problem with sun in this rear garden. And you've got that access point there at the back as well, and looking back at the property, it's really quite impressive. So we're going to go back through the main house and through the ground level, and we're going to go and take a look upstairs and see what we've got there. So now that we're on the first floor, we'll come through and you can take a look at this really well appointed wet room that you've got here. So you've got that open shower unit there and the basin and toilet. Now, as we come through to the back, you've got this lovely sized bedroom at the rear here with another one of those little feature fireplaces there as well. And you've got that wonderful outlook onto the rear garden as well. So good sized room, plenty of space in here for the bed there and for a chest of drawers and a wardrobe. Coming back across the landing, you can see there we've got the separate toilet, which is really good to have in a busy household. It's good to have the two toilets. And of course, coming through into bedroom number 3 here, you can see again another really good sized double room. So of course, we've got that lovely window at the back there, again overlooking the rear garden. So a nice private room here, but again really good sized double room. And you've got again a little storage cupboard there, another one of those little feature fireplaces, and plenty of storage here as well. Now we are reaching the tail end of our video tour here, but we've still got a little bit to show you. Of course, we've got this lovely big double room here at the front with the bay window. Plenty of space in this room, certainly a double size, but that lovely bay window at the front there really makes this room and really makes it stand out. Now, the Real bonus with this property is you do have the loft room here as well, so we'll come up the staircase, take a look at the space that you've got up here. Now we're going to leave it there for today's walkthrough tour, and with this property I really do ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agency so that you can find out a little bit more and perhaps even book a viewing.